Moving into a brand new home brings with it fresh, outdoor opportunities. While a new yard might not be the top reason you move into a new home, there's something special about stepping into a home with pristine landscaping. Your new home's outdoor areas can offer fantastic entertainment spots, serene pools, and lush gardens, enhancing your lifestyle. With some initial planning during the building process and regular maintenance afterwards, you can create and enjoy an ideal outdoor space. NewHomeSource has all the information you need about designing the ultimate outdoor experience for your desired lifestyle, maintaining these beautiful spaces in all seasons, and great gardening tips. No matter how you want to use your yard, NewHomeSource can help you design, maintain, and enjoy the perfect outdoor space. Beautiful outdoor spaces start with thoughtful planning. Work with your builder to integrate landscaping, porches, decks, and even pools into your new home's design. Ask about available packages or upgrades to tailor your outdoor space to your preferences. As winter fades, a porch or deck becomes the perfect spot to unwind outdoors. Have these features installed alongside your new home for seamless enjoyment. Consider a backyard pool to elevate your outdoor space, especially if you enjoy entertaining or live in a temperate climate. While new homes require less initial work, seasonal maintenance is crucial to preserve the beauty of your outdoor areas and protect them from the elements. NewHomeSource can be your ongoing resource for information on how to take care of your new home. For gardening enthusiasts, your new home's outdoor space offers endless possibilities. NewHomeSource has everything you need to create and maintain your dream garden. Designing and maintaining beautiful outdoor spaces for your new home is easy and fun. NewHomeSource has all the information you need to proceed with confidence as you combine your dream dwelling with your dream outdoor space to create your dream home.